One Ford dealer says, my Ford Raptor R customers always want me to remove the $1,800 graphics, but I would keep them on. Imagine this. You are at a Ford dealership buying the Raptor R truck, and it's an expensive truck. And as you review the paperwork, a $1,800 charge for the dealer's Raptor R graphics catches your eyes. It's a significant amount, and you're not sure if the stickers are worth it. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Give us thumbs up if you like this report and like the story that I'm about to tell you. And let's get started. One Ford dealer installs the Raptor graphics on every new R models they sell. The charge for the stickers is an additional $1,800 to the manufacturer's suggested retail price, the MSRP. If you bought a 2024 Ford Raptor R with graphics on the hood, side, and back of the truck, would you keep them or want them removed? What if it saved you $1,800 of the MSRP? A Ford dealer says his customers always want them to be removed. What about you? The dealers put these graphics because they make a lot of money, about $1,500 from each graphics. Look, you have been dreaming about buying a new Ford F-150 pickup, and now you have decided on getting the off-road performance 2024 Ford Raptor R. It's an expensive truck, but you just received a $20,000 year-end bonus at work. It's been a good year, and you're ready to pull the trigger. You pull into the Ford's dealer's lot and spot the Raptor R sitting right up front. It's the one truck you saw in the dealer's ad over the weekend, and it hasn't been sold. That's why you drove to the Ford dealership. You walk inside and you're greeted by a salesman who is more than eager to show you the truck. He gets the keys, opens it up, and it's everything you imagined and more. This is the one pickup truck for sure. You're very excited and looking forward to move hot. After taking the Raptor R on a short test drive, you go back inside with the salesman and discuss the price and the financing options. You're actually able to negotiate a reasonable price on the truck, an acceptable price for your trade-in, and get the payments that you want. And you're ready to see the finance manager and look through the final paperwork. And this is where the surprise comes. The finance manager, the salesman, never mentioned this when you were discussing the price. As you review the financial paperwork, a $1,800 charge for the dealer's Raptor R graphics catches your eyes. I mean, this is a significant amount of money, and you're not sure if the stickers on the truck are worth it. So you ask the salesman to remove the graphics, or you will not buy the truck, because that's almost $2,000 extra price. He says he has to talk to the manager about it. After a few minutes, he comes out and reluctantly says he'll remove the sticker from the hood, side, and rear of the truck. Getting it into the service department will take time, but you're willing to wait because you're going to save $1,800. So do you know how much the 2024 Ford Raptor R costs? The Raptor R pickup truck starts at about $109,145, actually $109,145 before the destination, delivery fees, taxes, and licensing. It's $110,000 truck. The price doesn't include extras like graphics on the hood, side, and back of the truck. One Ford dealer installs the Raptor graphics on every new R models they sell. This is a nice way to make extra money. The charge for the stickers is an additional $1,800 to the manufacturer's suggested retail price, the MSRP. The Ford salesman in this story is Captain Driver on X, who sells a lot of Ford Raptors trucks. He says his customers always want him to remove the stickers of the hood, side, and rear of the off-road performance truck. I think the customers are very smart. Why would you pay extra $1,800 in order just to have some graphics here and there? Ultimately, the decision, of course, is yours. What would you do? The salesman says, my Ford Raptor R customers always want me to remove them. He says, this is one of my customers' trucks. It's a new Ford Raptor R, he says. So as he walks around the truck, one thing I've noticed about every single Raptor customers I've ever sold is that they always want me to remove the graphics from the MSRP price. I mean, if every single customers of yours want the graphics to removed in order for them to save $2,000, then why would you put them on? And he says it's like $1,800 for the stickers on the hood, side, and back of the truck. One of the gentlemen I sold it to, he says, as I was walking out of the finance office to give him the rest of the paperwork, I saw him yanking off the stickers of the new side of the new Raptors R truck. People say nobody wants the stickers on the Raptors. Ours apparently, he says, laughing. Another person says, maybe there is a reason why. I can't afford one, but I would keep the stickers on. I don't know. What would you do, he asks. Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. Because this is very interesting thing. Salespeople at the dealerships, they do extra things to sell you more, but people don't want them. Of course, the Ford dealer and the salesman would want the customers to keep the graphics on the Raptor R truck. It's a nice extra profit margin for the dealer and the salesman. So I don't know what the stickers cost the dealer, but the Ford dealer likely makes about 70 to 80% profit on the stickers. That's nearly $1,500 in pure profit for the dealer. The salesman gets a commission on the sale of the graphic too. So of course, they want to sell every Ford Raptor R plastered with stickers. Why wouldn't they? They make extra $1,500 profit. The salesman gets a commission on that. But here are a few of the comments from the Captain Drives post that I want to share with you. One person says, decals are tacky, period. It already has badges. There is no need for it to look like a Hot Wheels because Ford Raptor R already has its own badges. Another user says, nobody wants the dealer's logos in their vehicles either, yet you'll still do it. I mean, they're still doing it. Do you like the dealer's logo on your truck? Another person says the stickers are coming off, and so it's the added fee. If the stickers are coming off, then why would you pay $1,800? Another person says $1,800 for stickers is criminal. It's about like the dealer pricing. Yet another person says, I would also take off the dealership decal and the dealer logo while I'm at it. I don't know if dealerships charge you for their decals and logo. It's a free advertising for them. Yet another person says the stickers make it look like a kid's truck or a Matchbox car. Friends, it's interesting to note that among the comments, there is a common sentiment. No one seems to be in favor of keeping the expensive Raptor R graphics. It seems like the only one who would keep them on the truck is the salesman. No surprise there because he makes money, he gets commission out of that. What about you? What do you think about this? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. I mean, imagine you're about to purchase a 2024 expensive Ford Raptor R. That's $110,000 starting price. The truck is adorned with striking graphics on the hood, side, and back. Now, here's the twist. You have the option to keep these graphics and pay the full price or have them removed and save $1,800 off the MSRP. A Ford dealer claims his customers always opt for the latter. I mean, they opt out. What would you choose? It's interesting. Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Hareyan from torquenews.com. Visit me at torquenews.com for daily automotive news. God bless you, everyone. And if you like this report, give us thumbs up. And today is December 24th. Merry Christmas to all of you. God bless you and have a great day.